How to add bookmarks in Google Docs. So we are going to learn about how can link the bookmarks within your Google Docs page or content. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here I have opened my one sample page or documents here. So I just quickly show you. Okay, so if bookmarks, we can link some data to particular heading or text. Okay, so data may be like in numbers or it's like tables or anything. Okay, so just assume this, I want to make this bookmark. Okay, so what you need to do, just click just select that text or just click on start on the title or data. Now go to the insert, go here in bookmark, then bookmark will be added here. Okay, you can also delete this bookmark from here. Now you can link this bookmark to any other title or text. If you want to, I want to add this, link this bookmark here, so I just select the text like this, right click on it, go to the insert link, go to the heading and bookmarks. Now you can see all your bookmarks which you have created. Select that bookmark, now it is linked. Okay, so someone click on that and just click on the bookmark, it will be take them to the linked bookmark. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.